Hey, y'all, if you're looking for another addition for your EDC carry package, you need the pliers. Check out these WorkPro quick adjusting groove joint pliers. 4-inch length, got the V-jaw set up, quick adjust. You can see that on there. So let's go. 4-inch length, a little small, compact, fits most of your other EDC tool sizes. Keeps you compact and ready to go. V-jaw setup right here. These little pliers are nice. They go down pretty small, and then even 1/2-inch nuts and bolts would probably be quite usable like that. I don't know if I'd go any bigger because you start to spread out your jaws a little wider and might not get as good a grip on them, but they're a quick adjust. Like I say, you push the button here. It's got a little pretty proud button. Moves back and forth. Even if you do need the big ones, you can get right up into it. There we go. The finish on these is very nice. Got a little kind of a checkering, dimpling on the back handle. On the front is the WorkPro branding. It gives you your other grip on the front. Very nice. The finish overall is really nice. It's smooth, no blemishes. Parting lines look really nice. They've ground it down. They put some work into it. You can tell. Got a little lanyard loop here. WorkPro sent me these to review these, and I haven't had a chance to put them through workout yet, but just thought I'd give you a quick first look and see how they operate. So there you go. WorkPro. Quick adjustable groove joint pliers. These would be great for an EDC setup. If you're looking for a plier that's inexpensive and you don't want to go with the Knipex, or you want to save up and start these first, it's a great way to go. They look like pretty good pliers. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.